If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case we can go to the Play Store, and then over here in Play Store we're going to use the search option at the bottom of the screen, and then we need to download an app that allows us to transfer data easily. In my case I'm going to use Local Send, and this is an app that allows us to quickly transfer pretty much anything we want to from one phone to another. So I'm gonna install this app over here, and of course we need to do the same thing with our or on our previous phone as well. So we can just search for Local Send, and we need to find the app, install it, and then open it. So on both devices we're gonna open the app. There we go. Now in here we need to of course send our file, so I'm gonna choose Send, and then in here as you can see we have many different categories like File, Media. We can also paste a text, we can just include a text, we can choose folders and also apps. So in my case I'm just gonna choose files, and in here instead of recent we can switch to a different category. So let's say I'm just gonna go to images, and let's choose maybe not the screenshot folder, let's go to the camera in here, and let's say I have like all of these different stuff that I want to transfer. So I can select first file, and then we can of course select the other one. Unfortunately we have to select one, we can only select from the catalog that is currently opened, and once you select everything you can tap on select in the upper right corner, and we should be able to find nearby devices. So as you can see by looking at the name and the code, it is exactly the app that we are looking for. So I'm just gonna tap on the phone in here, and we need to accept our files, and there we go. Of course the more files you decide to transfer, the longer it's going to take. And besides that, we can also go ahead and, for example, choose apps, and then of course you can choose apps that you want to transfer to your phone. So we should be able to see the list of apps that you have on your previous phone, and then you can transfer them to your Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.